YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about Yontex's car air purifier and smart car charger, which is this component right here. And this actually goes plugged in into your 12 volt input, and what it does is it releases negative ions to clean the air and odors from your vehicle, and at the same time you are able to plug in and charge your devices right here with your USB cable. And something cool about this is that when you plug it in, it actually shows you the voltage that your car's electrical system has. And so if you plug it in, you'll actually be able to see it right here. And when you plug in a device to charge, it'll show you how much current is being output right here. So that will show up as a number down there. As you can see right there, it shows output voltage at 14.4, 14.3. Now that we have the iPhone plugged in, it shows 0.9. So that's the output current that's showing, and the vehicle's still at 14.2 volts. And if you just leave it plugged in, it'll keep switching off every 10 seconds. So it'll show you how much input current there is and how much output current. So I've been using this product for a few days, and it's supposed to be cleaning the air and keeping dust out of the vehicle. I have noticed that there's not as much dust floating around right here inside the car, and it's convenient that it has two chargers at the same time, especially during this springtime season. There's a lot of allergies that are going around, but definitely a product to check out. I'll be including a link in the description. Also, a discount can be applied, so make sure to take advantage of that. Great, thank you for watching. Have a great day.